Welcome to AMAD Tutorial 7. In this video, we'll show you an advanced tutorial on user and inventory management. Today, we'll go deeper into topics that were briefly introduced in AMAD Tutorial 3, the Dashboard Guide. Let's start by logging into AMAD from the main page. Once logged in, head to the sidebar and click on Groups. This is the Groups panel. The initial tab shows all the groups you belong to. You can search for other groups using the Search tab. Let's create a new group. Click the New button. This opens the Group Creation panel, where you'll enter basic information for the new group. Enter a group name and description. Here we'll call the group AMAD. Choose a research type, and once all fields are filled out, click OK. The new group AMAD is now listed under My Groups. Click the group to open the group info page. Let's upload a group logo. Click the upload icon to select and upload an image. The group info page also shows the complete list of members. Right now it looks a bit empty. Let's add new members to this group. Click the plus icon next to Members to open the Members Search panel. Type in a keyword to search for users. From the search results, click on the users you want to add to the group. And that's it. The selected members are now part of your group. You can send messages to individual group members by clicking the message icon. Group admins and owners can promote or demote members using these triangle icons. For example, click the upward triangle to promote a user to admin's level. Now that the user has been promoted, let's move on to the Projects tab from the sidebar. Under My Projects, click on AMAD Tutorials. Just like the Groups tab, you can explore the full project structure here. Now let's go to the Inventory tab from the sidebar. The Inventory Management System allows users to define laboratories and the items within them. Click on AMAD under My Labs. The structure here is similar to the Groups tab. Scroll down to the Lab Info section. You'll see 4 categories: instruments, tools, consumables, and samples. You can add items to any of these lists by clicking the Add button. Let's try adding a new instrument. Click the plus icon next to Instruments. Fill in the details. For this example, let's call it T5000. Once all fields are filled, click OK at the bottom. And there it is. The T5000 now appears in the instrument list. You can add tools, consumables, and samples in the exact same way. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. In the next episode, we'll continue exploring more advanced features of AMAD. Thanks for watching.